Galaxy Note 8 price slashed to new low as critical update revealed by Samsung. The Galaxy Note 8 is dropped in price as Samsung begins rolling out a critical update to these popular phablets. The Galaxy Note 8 might be almost 2 years old, but this device still has plenty going for it. Samsung's 2017 phablet includes a giant 6.3-inch Quad HD and Super AMOLED display, dual camera, and S Pen stylus which allows you to scribble on the screen without using your finger. When the Note 8 first went on sale it would have set you back £869, but this flagship is now much more affordable. Amazon has just launched its spring sale event and the Note 8 is one of the products that has received a big discount. In fact, you can pick up this device for just £429.99, that's half the original price. The model Amazon is selling at the lower cost is the Midnight Black Note 8 with 64GB memory. Debenhams Plus is also selling the Note 8 at a discounted price with deals for this device starting from £459. The news of this price cut comes as Samsung has begun rolling out a major update to all of its flagships including the Galaxy Note 8. The April security patch includes some fixes which the Korean technology firm has labeled critical, with one bug even allowing remote attackers to execute arbitrary code on a target's device. Confirming the update, Samsung said, Samsung Mobile is releasing a maintenance release for major flagship models as part of monthly Security Maintenance Release (SMR) process. This SMR package includes patches from Google and Samsung. And in a post on its security website, the firm added, "At Samsung, we take security and privacy issues very seriously and we are doing our best to respond as quickly as possible. Securing your device and maintaining the trust you place in us is our top priority." Samsung releases monthly and quarterly security updates on selected Samsung devices. Monthly and quarterly security updates will include patches for Android OS related security issues released by Google, as well as patches for Samsung specific security issues. Although many devices such as the Galaxy S8, S9, and Note 9 are all expected to receive this upgrade, SamMobile is reporting that Galaxy Note 8 users are set to be the first to get this vital update. To see if your device is ready to be refreshed with the latest software, simply head to Settings, Software Update and tap on Download and Install.